In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change audio pitch in CapCut. Whether you're looking to add a fun, quirky twist to your video or create a dramatic tone, CapCut's voice changer tool is a fantastic way to transform your audio and bring your content to life. This feature allows you to modify the pitch and personality of voices in your clips, offering plenty of creative flexibility. And the best part, it's simple, quick, and doesn't require any audio editing experience. If you don't already have CapCut, you can download it for free, and if you're new to the app, I've included a link in the description to help you get started. Now, let's dive in and learn how to use this tool to its full potential. To begin, open CapCut and load your video into the timeline. The timeline is where all the magic happens because CapCut applies audio changes only to the specific clip you select. Once your video is in the timeline, locate the clip with the audio you want to adjust. Click on it to ensure it's selected. This step is important because the selected clip will be highlighted, letting you know exactly which part of the video you're working on. If you find that the effect isn't working as expected, double-check that you've selected the correct clip before moving forward. Next, look over to the top right section of CapCut's workspace and click on the Audio tab. This is where you'll find all the sound-related tools you need, including the voice changer, volume controls, and more. Once you're in the Audio tab, take a moment to scan through the options. Now click on the voice changer tool. This is the key feature that allows you to modify how voices sound in your video. After opening the voice changer, you'll see a scrollable list of voice effects and filters. Browse through these options to explore the different transformations you can apply. Each filter has a unique impact on the pitch and overall personality of the audio. For instance, if you're aiming for a humorous effect, you might want to try the chipmunk filter, which makes the voice higher and squeakier. On the other hand, for a more dramatic or mysterious vibe, the deep filter lowers the pitch, giving the audio a rich and intense quality. Take your time to explore the options so you can choose the one that best suits your vision. Once you've found a filter you like, click on it to apply it to your selected clip. One of the great things about CapCut is that the changes are applied instantly. There's no need to wait for rendering or exporting. After applying the filter, scrub through the clip in your timeline to preview how the audio sounds with the effect in place. If you don't hear the change right away, make sure your speaker volume is up and that the correct clip is playing. For longer videos, processing might take a moment, but generally the changes are seamless and immediate. Feel free to experiment with different filters until you're satisfied with the audio transformation. Remember, you can switch between filters as many times as you like, so don't be afraid to explore. Each filter adds its own unique flavor to your video, giving you plenty of room for creative exploration. And finally, once you've perfected your audio, consider combining the voice changer with other effects available in CapCut. Layering effects can take your video to the next level, making it even more engaging and memorable. Whether it's adding visual filters, transitions, or text, these extra touches can really make your content stand out. And that's how you change the audio pitch in CapCut. You've learned how to select the right clip, apply a voice changer filter, and preview your edits to ensure everything sounds just right. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.